Hi, this is Jason. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a tool review on this, the IQV12-202. This is by Ingersoll Rand. This is a quarter inch ratcheting wrench and a quarter inch impact gun. This impact gun right here, like I said, quarter inch. For a quarter inch, this has 100 foot-pounds of torque. That's insane. I like to use this all the time, daily. It's took a beating. It also comes with 2 batteries, the charger, and it comes with the bag so you carry it on the go. The quarter inch ratchet wrench, I think it's about, I want to say 80 foot-pounds of torque. I might be wrong. But I love this when I got to get into tight spaces inside the truck, working under the dash. It's worked very good for me. This thing's a great buy. I went on Amazon right before I made this video. 250 bucks. I mean, that's insanely cheap for especially a combo kit. It lasts, I think it's only a 1-year warranty through Ingersoll Rand. But like I said, I bought the kit, then I used it out, let my buddies at work try it. They bought the kit. We love it. Can't beat it. Especially this gun for 100 foot-pounds of torque. It's just insane. But that's my review on the Ingersoll Rand IQV12-202 combo kit. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe down below.